In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix there was a problem with your transaction error on Revolut. So this error is normally accompanied by this message: please try adding funds into a different method. So if you're trying to make a bank transfer using this app but you're getting this error, there are quite a number of steps you want to follow to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right. First, you want to ensure that you have enough funds in your bank account. Counter check and ensure that you have enough amount and that you're quoting the correct figure for you to be able to fix this error. However, if there is nothing with the quotation or the account balance, then check and then see if you have any VPN app on your smartphone, turn it off, or if you have any security, it might be flagging this and therefore hindering the transaction. You also want to ensure that while trying to log into your account, you have already verified by logging in using the correct verification code before you try to transact. But should this fail, then you want to troubleshoot your Revolut bank app. To do this, you need to go back to your phone and look for settings. Click on settings, then go down to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut and here it is. Tap on it and then go down for stop and tap on OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. And finally clear all data. Restart your smartphone, and because you'll be logged out, you'll need to log in afresh to your Revolut mobile bank app before you can proceed and make your transaction. However, if this still fails, then you want to check and then see if we have any update for your Revolut mobile bank app. Go to Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll search for my app here, and as you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Revolut app, which might be causing this issue. Update your app to the latest version, and now if you go back to your phone and log into your account, now you should be able to transact. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.